Hi, my name's Tom Paradise. I'm a senior at Green Mountain College, and I'm an adventure education major and a youth development and camp management major. Today, I'm going to show you how to effectively and safely light a Whisper Light stove. Whisper Light stoves are what we use in the backcountry. These stoves are used on trips for use of cooking food as well as purifying water. There's a few things that you need to keep in mind when working with a Whisper Light stove. The fact that we are working with white gas, and also the fact that we are working with fire. You want to have your stove set up on a hard, durable surface that's particularly flat. We're going to start setting up the stove now. There's a few things that you're going to need. One, your stove. It comes in this handy carrying case, your fuel bottle, which is filled with white gas, and then also an ignition source. So you want to take the legs out, set it up real nice. It'll look like this, kind of like a sweet pea sign. Set that down. We have a nice flat spot. I'm going to put my heat reflector down on the ground right below it. Next thing I'm going to do is take the pump and put it in the bottle. I'm going to unscrew the top, and what you instantly want to do once you take the top off of your bottle is place it into your bag. And you also want to make sure that you put your pump on pretty quickly after you do that, because like I said before, white gas evaporates very quickly. So next, now that we have the pump all secure on here, you're going to set up your stove, and what you want to do is to set it up. A good way to make sure that you can do this correctly every time is have the numbers on the outside right here. They're going to go, this piece right here is going to go in the hole right here. And then we're going to flip this over like so. Very nice. It is locked into the notch, and then we are all set pretty much. So what we're going to do first is we're going to prime this so that the canister becomes very pressurized. So what you want to do with this pump is you want to do this about 10 times, and that should be just sufficient. 8, 9, 10. Sweet deal. That should be super solid. And then the next step is you have to fill up your priming cup. This right here, this little dish you can see, is the priming cup. So what we're going to do is I'm going to turn on the stove, turn it counterclockwise, which will turn it on, and then you can hear and see that our priming cup is filling up with white gas. So now that I have that all set up, I'm going to light that. We're going to let this burn for a little while. So we're already here. I think this is going to be pretty good, so I'm going to turn my gas back on. You can hear it coming out. I'm going to light this. Oh, and we got this nice blue flame here. You come in. This is exactly what you want. If you have like a big yellow or orange flame, that's not what you want, because that's not burning as efficiently as your stove is supposed to. And then we'll put our windscreen on. And then once you're done, you're going to want to turn your stove back off like so. And then some people like to blow the flame out. I'm a fan of just letting it burn all of itself out. And then you're going to want to just let it sit for a while, because it was just on fire. So you don't want to put it back in your bag yet, because it's very hot. So make sure you get all the parts, and good luck in the backcountry cooking your food.